Good morning, students. Today I will start unit number 8, winds, storms and cyclones. Winds means the moving air is called winds. Storms means the disturbance of the atmosphere with strong winds. Thunder means sound, lightning and rain. Cyclones means a system of winds inward to an area of low pressure cyclones means a system of winds inward to an area of low pressure there. Today's first subject is wind. The moving air is called the wind. Second one, air pressure. Air exerts pressure on objects. This is called air pressure. Air expands on heating. It means when air is heated, that becomes warm or hot. Expands means that air is started to move. This is called air expands on heating. The warm air means when air is heated, then it lighter than the cold air. That is the reason that the smoke goes up. Wind currents means the movement of wind are generated due to uneven heating on the earth. There are two types are there. First one is uneven heating between the equator and the poles. Second one, uneven heating of land and water. In the first condition, uneven heating between equator and the line of poles. Near the equator or in the equator part of the earth, maximum heat is there. The cooler air from the (0 to 30 degree latitude belt on either side of the equator the wind moves in. These winds from the north and south moves towards the equator. This is the first condition. At the poles, the air is cooler than that of the latitude. About 60 degrees. The air in this region becomes warm and rises. At that time, the cooler air from the polar region starts or rushes in to take that place. This is in this way the wind circulation sets up from the polar region to the warmer latitude. This is the first condition, uneven heating between the equator and the poles. Second condition is uneven heating of land and water. In summer, summer means the temperature is high. In summer, near the equator, the land warms. The land warms means the air over the land becomes or is heated and rises. This rise in air over the land that causes the flow of air the flow of wind from oceans to the land. These winds are called monsoon winds. Next one about the winds would have blown in the north-south direction, means either from north to south or from south to the north. Sometimes there is a change in the direction of wind. This one is caused by the rotation of the earth. Already I have studied about monsoon winds. Monsoon winds means the wind from the ocean that carries water and brings rain. These winds are called monsoon winds. Next one, in winter season, the direction of flow of wind gets reversed. It means it flows from the land to the ocean. Next one is thunderstorms. The rising temperature produce strong upward rising winds. These winds carry water droplets upwards where they freeze. Freeze means liquid converts as solid and fall down again. The swift means quick movement. The swift movement of falling water droplets along with the rising air create lightning and sound. Sound means thunder. This one creates lightning and sound. This event that we call a thunder storm. Thunder means produce sound. Thunderstorms develop in hot, humid. Humid means moisture contained. Thunderstorms develop in hot, humid tropical areas like India.